Hey everyone, I hope you all are well. So let's start discuss about this video. So in this video I am going to explain about how to make an Arduino traffic light controller. This traffic light controller will be used to control the flow of traffic and can be applied at high traffic areas to avoid traffic blocks or accidents. The main part of this project is the Arduino Uno, which will control the LED and their timings to guide the vehicles. So let's start with the components required for Arduino traffic light controller. So for this traffic light controller we need one Arduino Uno, one breadboard, 12 LED, 4 red, 4 yellow and 4 green, 12 220 ohm resistor and 25 jumper wires for connections. Now I will explain about circuit diagram. So there are total of 12 LED used in this project. The direction has 3 LED, red, yellow and green. You can see from here direction 1 has 3 LED, direction 2 has 3 LED, direction 3 has 3 LED and direction 4 has 3 LED. Each LED is connected to 20 ohm resistor because if you won't use the resistor then the LED may burn due to excessive current. Now I will discuss about the working of this traffic light controller. So I have set the delay for green signal to 5 seconds and orange signal to 3 seconds. So at start, green light of direction 1 will be turned, means people of direction 2 and direction 3 and direction 4 can go to direction 1. In that case, red LED of direction 2, direction 3 and direction 4 must be turned on. So when green LED of direction 1 will be turned for 5 seconds. After that, orange LED of direction 2 will be turned on for 3 seconds. It means people of direction 1, direction 4 and direction 3 will be prepared to go in direction 2. When orange LED will be turned off, then green LED will be turned on for 5 seconds and people of direction 1, direction 4 and direction 3 will go to direction 2. When green LED of direction 2 will be turned off, then orange LED of direction 3 will be turned on for 3 seconds and people from direction 2, direction 1 and direction 4 will be prepared to go in direction 3. After that, green LED will be turned for 5 seconds. Same with direction 4. After green LED of direction 3 will be turned off, orange LED of direction 4 will be turned on, then green LED of direction 4 will be turned on for 5 seconds, and this process repeats again and again. After that, I will explain about the code, how I wrote my code to simulate it. So first of all, we define the pins where we have connected the LED. Red 1 13, orange 1 12. Red 1 indicates the red LED of direction 1, orange 1 indicates the orange LED of direction 1 and green 1 indicates the green LED of direction 1. Same thing happens with red 2, orange 2 and green 2. It indicates the LED of direction 2. Red 3, orange 3 and green 3. It indicates the LED of direction 3. Red 4, orange 4 and green 4. It indicates the LED of direction 4. Now I use some conditions. So in this direction 1 green indicates green LED will be turned on in direction 1. So in this case, when green LED will be turned on, it means red LED of direction 2, direction 3 and direction 4 will also turn on. So you can see from here, when green LED of direction 1 means these two LED will be turned off. So you can see from here, red and orange of direction 1 is low while green is high, and in other cases red is high and other two are low. Red 2 is high, red 3 is high, red 4 is high and all green and orange are low. When green will be turned off, then orange of direction 2 will be turned on. In this case, red LED and green LED of direction 2 will be turned off. So you can see from here, red LED and green LED is low while orange is high. In all other direction, red LED will be turned on. So you can see from here, red 1 is high, red 3 is high and red 4 is high. All other LEDs are low. When orange LED will be turned off, then green LED will be turned on for 5 seconds. And you can see from here, green LED of second direction is high and other two are low. And in that case, red LED of direction 1, direction 4 and direction 3 should be high. So you can see from here, red 1 is high, red 3 is high and red 4 is high. Same thing happened with all other directions. After that, orange will be orange of direction 3 will be turned on, then green of direction 3 will be turned on, then orange of direction 4 will be turned on, then green of direction 4 will be turned on, and then again orange of direction 1 will be turned on, then green, and this process repeats again and again, and in this way traffic light controller will work. After that, I have declared all the LEDs as output using a for loop. You can see from here I have used a for loop and declare all the pins from 2 to 13 using a variable I. So you can see from here void loop. In the loop function, we control the signal one by one to control the flow of traffic. So in this loop function, I have declared all the variables I have declared above, like direction 1 green, direction 2 orange, direction 2 green, direction 3 orange, direction 3 green. So I have defined it here. So you can see from here direction 1 green will be turned on for 5 seconds. Then direction orange LED of direction 2 will be turned on for 3 seconds. Then green of direction 2 will be turned on for 5 seconds. Then orange of direction 3 will be turned on for 3 seconds. And this will repeat again and again, and in this way traffic light will work. So I will now simulate it and you can see how it works. So you can see from here LED of direction 1 is turned on, and in that case red LEDs of all other directions are on. After that orange will turn on, then green of direction 2 will turn on, and all other red will be on. After that orange of direction 3 get turned on, then green of direction 3 get turned on. So in that case, when one green LED will be turned on, then all other red LED of all 3 directions will be turned on also, because people can move only in one direction. So this is the video in which, so this is the project. So this is the circuit I have designed for traffic light control, and I hope you will understand it, and you can also try it on Tinkercad as well as hardware. Thank you.